today's data-driven world, businesses are constantly in search of professionals with strong analytical and data management skills. This has made Excel one of the most sought-after tools in the industry, with proficiency in Excel and VBA being valuable assets to any job seeker. Our Excel course bundle covers everything you need to know to become an expert in Excel and VBA. You'll learn how to work with spreadsheets, analyze data, and create powerful formulas and functions to streamline your workflow. You'll also learn how to use VBA to automate routine tasks, saving you time and effort. Our courses are designed to be practical and hands-on. You'll work on real-world projects that will help you apply what you have learned in a practical setting. You'll learn how to create interactive dashboards, automate reports, and build sophisticated models that can help you make data-driven decisions. And with our Excel course bundle, you'll have the flexibility to pursue a variety of different career paths. You can become a financial analyst, a data analyst, or even a business intelligence analyst. The opportunities are endless. Our course bundle is taught by experienced professionals who are experts in Excel and VBA. They'll guide you every step of the way and provide you with the skills you need to succeed in the industry. The best part? You can start learning today from the comfort of your own home. Our online courses are self-paced, so you can learn at your own speed and on your own schedule. And with our lifetime access option, you can come back and review the material anytime you need to. So why wait? Enroll today and start building the skills you need to succeed in today's data-driven world.